The old girl's dying. Uh-oh, this don't look good. Well, that looks like curtains then, doesn't it? That's only just started happening. I was kind of hoping I would have sold her by now and I'd have had a new one, but it hasn't happened for one reason or another. I've still got her. That happened out of the blue on Tuesday night. All of a sudden going home, lost power. The next day, smoke bellowed out of the exhaust. Wednesday night was fine. And then last night, exactly the same. When he set less power, and this morning, more smoke. Oof. Oh well, looks like curtains for my old girl. And I was hoping to get a few quid for them. I'm not so sure now. Oof. So I guess next will be this new car, whenever it'll be. I've got one in mind, hasn't happened yet, hopefully soon. Hopefully do a few trips this year, got a few things in mind. Oh, what a gorgeous day, I know that. Very cold though. Maisie's picked up a little bit of a limp, so I've got to pick her up. Oh, Maisie, what have you done? Which paw is it? Go on. Oh, you look alright to me. Oh, simply beautiful day. Waterfall sunshine.